Hello folks, Richard Fontana here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
The decorations are packed up, the lights are back in the attic, and now the holiday credit card bills are arriving. You may be starting the new year feeling weighed down by debt from all that holiday spending. The gifts, the trips, the parties, it all adds up. But what if you could wipe out that post-holiday debt fast? Get a fresh start to the year without all those bills hanging over your head. I have a special opportunity that can help you pay off your holiday debt quickly. Keep watching, and I'll explain how you can start the new year debt-free and relieved of holiday money stress. This is your chance to hit the reset button on your finances. Stay tuned to learn how. Hi there, Jason Fulton here. I can proudly say I'm not stressed about holiday bills this year. That's because we've got a new side hustle that's making it easier than ever to generate cash out of thin air without any work required. But don't worry, this doesn't just work for us. We tested this with 36 beta testers that had 0 online experience, and every single one of them made money. You heard that right. Every person that's used our new side hustle method has made money. It's called Quick Side Hustle, and it's not like anything you've seen before. As you're watching this video, there are millions of people out there searching for a new job. Some are looking to replace their current job and make more money, and a lot of people are looking for a second job to cover things like holiday bills or just to help out with regular day-to-day bills. The world has gotten really expensive the last few years, so people everywhere are looking for better or additional employment. That's why we created a powerful AI app that matches job seekers up with employers. And every time this happens, we get a big fat commission. Like this. And because this AI-powered app hacks a loophole in the job-seeking algorithm, this happens over and over again. It's so simple, and once we activate this side hustle, the money just keeps coming without any work required. Check out how much we've made with this over the past 30 days. You don't need any prior experience because this is so simple. You don't need to spend much time on this because the software does everything for you. There's no video creation or showing your face on camera. You don't have to use social media, write emails, or build websites. This has nothing to do with paying for traffic. There's no selling or talking to people required to make money with this. There's absolutely no work required. Honestly, it's hard to even really call this a side hustle because there's no hustling needed. This is the most laid-back way to make sizable amounts of money that I've seen. And it's rewarding too, because the app is helping people find jobs with some of the biggest companies out there, like Amazon, UPS, Walmart, and many, many more. But you don't have to worry about all the details. With advances in AI, details aren't your concern anymore. We created the software to do all the work while we sit back and get paid. Let the software handle the details, and you can focus on the fun part, spending the money. Inside Quick Side Hustle, you'll get access to everything you need to get going with this today, so you can start paying off your holiday bills. But it doesn't have to stop there. Once you get those paid off, which can happen pretty fast from our experience, you can use the money that keeps flowing in on anything you want. Pay off some other debts you may have. Build up your savings account. Go out to eat anytime you want. Upgrade your wardrobe. Finally take that trip you've been putting off. Take some time off work, or even quit the job and live life on your terms. That's what we absolutely love about this side hustle. It doesn't take up any time, and since the money just keeps rolling in day and night for us, we can take as much time away as we want. Let me tell you, there's nothing better than unplugging for a week and coming back and seeing this. Of course, the best part about getting Quick Side Hustle right now is the discounted pricing. When you consider that you're getting your hands on a simple solution for generating daily income with no hard work required, we could easily charge $97 per month or more for this. But we realize it's rough out there, and you may not have a whole lot of extra money right now. That's why we've slashed the price to make it easy to get going with this right now. Instead of paying a monthly fee, you can get everything for a small, one-time payment. To lock in your discount, click the button before the price goes up. But please, do not close this page without getting your hands on Quick Side Hustle. The price is going up soon, and if you come back later to get this, you'll find yourself paying more than you have to do for this. This is the lowest price Quick Side Hustle will ever be. And although the discounted price should make this super easy for you, we're going to sweeten things up by giving you access to the bonuses that will boost your results with Quick Side Hustle. These bonuses are worth $10,000 plus, but when you get this now, you'll get instant access to them for free. And because we're sure you're going to love Quick Side Hustle, we're going to remove all the risk by protecting you with our 60-day money-back guarantee. Although we can keep showing examples of us and our beta testers getting results with Quick Side Hustle, but you really need to just give it a try yourself to see just how simple this really is. So take the next 60 days to make sure this works for you. And if you change your mind for any reason, just let us know and we'll send you a refund. The only way you can lose is by not getting Quick Side Hustle right now. So if you're tired of being stressed out about money, and you like the idea of being able to simply activate the same side hustle we use to get paid $208.57 plus per day with no hard work required, then you need to get Quick Side Hustle right now before the price goes up. Click the button below now to lock in your discount and get instant access to everything.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.